Hey everyone! Welcome back to Compare Core. I'm Bill, and today we've got something super exciting for you. We're diving into the top 5 hiking boots for 2025. And trust me, you're gonna want to see these before making any purchases. Whether you're hitting the trails this year or just want to know which boots are really worth your money, I've got you covered. So, if you're looking for comfort, durability, and the best performance on your hikes, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Number 1. Merrell Moab Speed 2 Mid GTX Hiking Boots. Let's kick things off with the Merrell Moab Speed 2 Mid GTX Hiking Boots. These boots aren't just built for everyday hikes, they've summited Kilimanjaro. One tester took them 100 miles through mud, snow, and rocks, all the way to 19,340 feet above sea level. The secret is in the Vibram TC 5 Plus outsole, with 4mm traction lugs designed to handle tough terrain. Plus, the full-length rock plate keeps your feet safe from sharp rocks. The GORE-TEX waterproof membrane keeps you dry, while the FloatPro foam midsole adds comfort without the bulk. And with vegan-friendly nylon ripstop uppers, these boots are both durable and lightweight. If you're looking for the perfect balance of comfort, durability, and performance, the Merrell Moab Speed 2 Mid GTX is your go-to. Number 2. On Cloudrock Mid Waterproof Hiking Boots. Let me tell you, these boots are all about comfort. One tester called them the most comfortable boots I've ever worn, thanks to Cloudrock technology. Those cylindrical pods at the sole compress and rebound with each step, reducing impact and making you feel like you're walking on air. But it's not just about comfort. The Mission Grip trademark outsoles with wider set, shallower lugs provide exceptional grip on a variety of terrains. Our testers praised how stable they felt crossing wet rocks and even ice. Plus, the waterproofing kept feet dry, even in deep puddles during a rainstorm. If you're looking for a boot that feels like a sneaker, but performs like a trail pro, the Cloudrocks are definitely worth checking out. Number 3. Altra Lone Peak 9 Waterproof Mid-Hiking Boots. Perfect for minimalist hikers who still need a bit more support. These boots feature a zero-drop platform, which means your feet stay flat to the ground, promoting a more natural gait. The 5mm footbed and 25mm stack height offer just the right amount of spring and cushion without losing that barefoot feel. One standout feature is the generous toe box. Your toes have plenty of room to spread out, which improves balance and traction. The Max Track rubber outsoles grip everything from mud to snow, ensuring stability no matter the conditions. Plus, the non-fluorinated waterproof membrane keeps your feet dry, even in the wettest conditions. If you're after a lightweight, natural-feeling boot that still delivers on traction and durability, the Lone Peak 9s are an excellent choice. Number 4. Danner Mountain 600 Leaf GTX Hiking Boots. A hiker's dream with a twist of sustainability. These boots are not only sturdy and stable, but they can also be resoled thanks to Danner's recrafting services. So, instead of tossing them out when the soles wear down, just send them back for a fresh pair of soles, and they're good as new. On the trail, the Vibram rubber outsoles with Mega Grip offer unbeatable traction on everything from slick mud to gritty sandstone. Our testers had no trouble staying upright on steep and slippery sections of trails. Plus, with GORE-TEX waterproofing, these boots kept our testers' feet dry, even after stepping into ankle-deep mud. If you're after a boot that's tough, comfortable, and built to last, the Mountain 600 Leaf GTX is a solid pick. Just keep in mind, they're a bit heavier than some others, but the performance and durability make it worth the extra weight. Number 5. HOKA Kaha 3 GTX Hiking Boots. Last, but definitely not least, we've got the HOKA Kaha 3 GTX hiking boots. Known for their ultra-cushy running shoes, HOKA brings that same comfort to the trail. These are the first HOKA hikers to feature GORE-TEX Invisible Fit, which makes them lightweight, flexible, and fully waterproof without feeling stiff. The real magic is in the dual-density midsoles made with 30% sugarcane EVA. They absorb impact like a dream. The Meta Rocker design gives you that smooth heel-to-toe roll, boosting speed and stability on the trail. And the Vibram Mega Grip outsoles with 4mm lugs grip everything from mud to ice with confidence. Yes, they're a bit heavier and narrow in the toe box, but the heel support, ankle padding, and all-day comfort make the Kaha 3 a top pick, especially if you want a boot that performs on the trail and still looks great in town. And that's a wrap on the best hiking boots of 2025. I hope this list helped you find the perfect pair for your next adventure. Which boot caught your eye the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Catch you in the next one. See you on the trails.